Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for tuning in. So I recently received this kit from a new brand called TOBEGLAM, and I'm excited to share with you their Take Me Home Polygel kit and the nail design I came up with using it. And before I forget, I do have a discount code for you to use if you are interested in getting the kit yourself. It is an affiliate code, so I do make a small commission from the sale. Let's get into opening the box and seeing what's inside. The packaging is super cute with the pink hearts and candies everywhere. Inside at the top it greets you with a "Hello Gorgeous." So inside it comes with this envelope with the instructions and stuff. Next we have this box of dual forms. There are 12 sizes and they actually come in 2 shapes. The typical flat ones, and then these stiletto shaped ones. Next we have this mini UV LED lamp that you can use a USB cord for power. And then of course a 100 and 180 grit nail file. A dual-ended polygel brush that has a brush on one end and a spatula on the other. It also comes with a base and top coat, and these bottles actually have a really nice weight to them, which I like. Lastly, we have 6 polygel tubes, and I'll go ahead and swatch the colors for you. First, we have Justin Pink, which is a typical pink color. Next is Sweet Talk, which is a very light milky pink. And then we have Oh She Pretty, a shimmery purple. And then You're My Queen, which is a shimmery pink. Next is Pretty Much, a glittery pinky purple. And lastly is Pure, which is a simple clear. And here are what the colors look like smushed and cured under the lamp. Now moving on to the nails, starting off with their base coat, it does feel a little thicker than other ones I've used before. I'm not really sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I personally kind of like it. Other than that, there's not much else to say about their base coat. I decided I'm going to use the color Oh She Pretty, the shimmery purple, as a base for all my nails. I'm going for a celestial galaxy type of nail art, so I thought the shimmer would work as a nice background color. As for the consistency of the polygel, it is on the firmer side to work with. I'm not sure if it's because of the shimmer and glitter in it or if it's just because of the formula. And here I switched brushes just because the brush was just way too flimsy for the firmness of the polygel. If I had to compare the consistency to other brands that I've used, it's very similar to Macart or Savvyland. Personally for me, I'm not the biggest fan of the firmer polygels just because I feel like I have to use more of it, which kind of makes me go through the tube faster. I'm curious to know what you guys prefer. Do you guys like firm polygels or the softer ones? What are your favorite brands that you like to use? Let me know. After getting the base down, I'm moving on to filing and shaping the nails. I'm using this dust collector that I got from Amazon and laying a tissue over it so it's easier to clean later. I'm also using my Airseed nail drill, which I absolutely love. I actually have a video testing out this drill, and if you haven't seen it yet, please do. I'll link the video in the cards and in the description box below. I'm just using a fine grit ceramic drill bit to remove the bulk of the nails. Next, I'm using the hand file to do the shaping of the nails. I started off with the file that came with the kit, but then realized I didn't really like how coarse it was, so I switched to the old one I have. I'm not saying the TOBEGLAM file is bad, it just wasn't what I was used to, so it was a bit uncomfortable for me. And this is what my nails look like after cleaning off the dust and washing my hands. And now moving on to nail art. I'll be using these Mona Lisa gel paint pots I got off AliExpress. Also have a video swatching all 60 colors, so I'll also link that in the cards and the description box below. I'm using a white, a lavender, and a periwinkle blue. I'm starting off with the lavender color and just making curvy lines across each nail. I'm going to do this with the periwinkle blue and white, just following the lines that I laid down. After making the curvy lines with all three colors, I'm taking the white and making some dots and stars around the lines on each nail. This will tie the celestial look I'm going for together. And lastly, the finishing touch, top coat. And similar to the base coat, the top coat is also slightly thicker than other brands that I've used. Not a huge deal, but I personally really like it. And here's what the nails look like after everything. I think they turned out pretty cute. What do you guys think? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me test out this new brand of Polygel and watching me create the nail design. Again, I do have a discount code for the kit, which I'll leave in the description box below if you want to get the kit yourself. And that wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. Bye!